What's up, guys?
What's
Hey.
up, guys? Hey.
We are now heading to Milkaskaras, and today we came with this big bus, but we can't go further. So here now we are changing to the van. Let's get started. So now we are heading to the Milkaskaras. We changed to the van. Hi, show. Hi. And I don't know how long it takes, but it took us like 3 hours, right, to get there.
Mass.
A little bit more because we had a 30-minute break, and we are here. I don't know.
There's a trash cascada.
Trash. Finally, we arrived at Milkaskaras. It took us like, I think 40 minutes almost by this small van. So, well, if you come, I recommend you to come with your own car or come with small van so that you don't have to pay extra for this.
Sí. Bueno, pues antes de, lo más recomendable es ir lo más ligero que podamos, ¿de acuerdo? Parece muy bien.
Entonces, this is the point.
So they ask us to leave our thing, everything here, so do not bring expensive stuff and also unnecessary thing. And when we have to buy something, they will write down in a note so we can pay later. I wanna buy this. How much did you pay?
100 pesos.
Oh, that's
It's expensive.
expensive. So if you wanna have this, buy in Mexico City.
Back window doesn't close.
You wanna put your back here?
No, the back window doesn't close.
That's so safe.
Yeah.
That's the point. So don't put anything expensive here.
Everything I own is expensive.
Sunscreen, yeah. Your money is there. I put it here.
That's pretty smart.
Let's go. Wow. So everybody now prepared. Aquí hay Wi-Fi. Porque ahora tengo no connection. It's so tight.
¿Ya?
Oh, I can't breathe. Okay, now ready. Let's go. I don't know. Are we going to a cave?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. That's why. Okay, I didn't know. Are you ready?
Sí, listo.
Listo.
Altura aproximadamente de 50 centímetros. Okay, now we're going to jump 50 centimeters.
50. Ah,
50.
nothing.
It's only the proof of your.
So they told us that we need to jump to the waterfall. Now we are going to jump like 50 centimeter height.
Okay.
Scary.
That's very...
It's actually scary, 50 cent even. What do you think?
50 centimeters.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Once I jumped, maybe 1.5. It was so scary. It was on the ocean from a boat.
Oh.
But this one, well, maybe it's not scary. Just 50 centimeter. Excited, yeah. Let's see. 頑張ります。行きましょう。It's not cold.
Ya, es súper cool.
Vamos, disfrútenlo. Una, dos.
Okay.
Go. The height, otra vez. The height was not scary at all, but the cold.
Ya.
It's now March.
March, ya.
Yes, but the water is a little bit cold, but it's okay. We can survive. So now our guide is telling us that we have to put the helmet super tight. It means what's gonna happen? I don't know. Let's see. Did he say something about where we go now?
Yes, to the cave.
To the cave.
Yes,
Okay.
where we are going to die.
Yeah.
Are we gonna?
Wow.
Oh, this is very exciting.
Exciting, yeah. Wow, it's dark.
Yeah.
I think it's deeper than 1 meter.
Oh, it looks interesting, huh?
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Wow,
I haven't
nice.
seen this kind of place on YouTube.
No.
This is a place you have to visit. It's ready. Okay, my friend, turn on my camera. No, my light. Okay. Okay. Oh, I can point people like this. It's a cave.
Juste avant la.
Wow. That's true. With them. It's really interesting.
It is. Go look at the bats.
Yeah, there are a lot of bats there.
그죠? just 아니 이렇게 손가락 나와서 이렇게 빼야 돼.
아, 그런 게 나.
They are Korean.
I don't have nail.
그렇다고요.
그렇다고요.
Could you open this?
Puede llegar con la más actividad, ¿de acuerdo?
Oh, we go further?
Yeah.
Really?
You are. To do that.
I didn't expect to be going here. Wow. It's huge. すごいよここは。It's amazing.
ちょっと怖いです。
ちょっとね、怖いね。
怖くない？
With you, I'm fine. You protect me. Look. We are going further and further. Are you sure, Kentaro? Am I sure?
Who won? A picture in the hole.
Picture in the hole.
That sounds very bad. Did you like my picture in the hole?
Apaga tu linterna.
So this is next one. We have to jump. And brave people are going up.
And jump. Bigger than 2 meters.
So can you jump 8 meters too?
Oh, I'm not sure. That's actually like diving, like diving stuff, right?
Yeah.
2 meters. Are you gonna jump?
I gonna jump, of course. Uh-oh, be careful. Okay. So we are waiting here like almost 10 minutes. I wanna go to check. Why? Let's go to check. I can only hear the sound. What's happening?
It's a jump.
The biggest one.
It doesn't look too bad.
You say you are not scared, right? You can do that.
Did I say that?
Ladies and go!
8 meters? No, thank you. I don't want to try. Somebody's going there now?
It's a hike up there.
Yeah. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are challenging. Wow. So good. we have a plan to go here and then inside the water and go to the other side. Wow. どうですか皆さん元気ですか Alright? Finally, we are getting out from the cave. It's so cold. I really recommend you to have some warm clothes. Like now we are Zipline. I didn't know what Zipline, but this and this. I can guess what it is.
But which Chinese? Is it the Chinese?
お、映るんだ。頑張って。イエーイ。行ってきまーす。
Dos, tres, vámonos. One, two, three, vámonos. Eyes up here.
So after Zipline, we have now here lunch. Hey, what are you order?
I ordered some quesadilla with chicharrón prensado, but it's not ready.
Hi, we are going to our last activity today, rappel. 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 I don't know. Let's go. 行きましょう. So now it's 3 p.m. 22. We came here in the morning, like 11. So now it's already 4 hours. It took more than we expected because we had a lunch and we stayed in a cave like 1 hour. It was super cold. Scary. This must be the waterfall here. And we get the girls.
No, solo 45.
45 metros. Wow. Speak English or Spanish?
Con mucho cuidado. El punto más difícil es el punto de inicio al tomar lo que es la posición. La posición adecuada.
Hatsu rappel, ganbarimasu. I wanna show the.
Don't feel afraid. Take your time.
Can I play?
Yeah, look the line. Look the line.
Solo dime una cosa, aquí es donde está la cueva.
Focus in your move.
Ya no hay cueva.
Ya no hay cueva, o sea, ya está todo corrido.
Nomás es puro escalinata.
Nunca van a encontrar un hoyo.
No.
¿Quién sigue?
Who's next?
No, estoy
There's
grabando.
another break there.
Métela aquí. Y anclala.
Only the first moment is scary, but then it's actually easy. You have to be. But I couldn't sit down, not at all.
¡Saluda!
Yeah. She has to release the right hand a little bit from the rope, otherwise she doesn't go down so much.
でも最初の方さ、
怖いよね。
顔に水がかかって何も見えなくて、
本当に。
もうやばいやばいみたいな。
Yeah. How was it?
I was about to not do it. Like I was about to cry before to do it, and I just wanted to do it. But then when I saw the view, I enjoyed it. And
You
started to
enjoyed the view?
relax a little bit, yeah.
Wow.
I started to relax a little bit more, but still I was a little bit nervous.
After the rappel, we are jumping into the lake one by one. And now next one we are going to jump, I think. It's not that high, like 2 meters, 3 meters. So it's nothing.
chicos, llegó el turno de nosotros.
Yeah, that's
¿Quieren que les enseñe?
it. Okay.
Aviéntelo primero. Tito, 1, 2, 3.
Guys. Wow. Aquí está bien. Ahí.
Don't take a lot, just do it.
1, 2,
Un momento. Chicos. Una, dos. Go. Kinda. Yeah.
Eso.
Yeah, we did it. It's so much fun here. Love it. Finally, we are getting to our bus. So nice. So much fun. Next time you have to join us. So it was a very fun trip, and then now we are at Taqueria eating. We are so tired, but it was very good. Great trip.